Class 11, in your class on Introduction to E-commerce and WordPress, you'll delve into two significant aspects of online business: understanding e-commerce and leveraging WordPress for it. Here's a breakdown of what you'll cover. Introduction to e-commerce. Definition: e-commerce refers to the buying and selling of goods and services over the internet. Importance: global reach allows businesses to reach customers beyond geographical boundaries. Convenience provides customers with the convenience of shopping anytime, anywhere. Cost-effectiveness reduces overhead costs associated with physical stores. Data analytics enables businesses to gather valuable data on customer behavior for targeted marketing. Benefits: increased sales potential, access to a wider customer base translates to higher sales opportunities. Reduced operational costs, lower overhead costs compared to brick-and-mortar stores. Enhanced customer experience, convenience, personalized recommendations, and efficient transactions. Data-driven decision-making, utilizing analytics for optimizing marketing strategies and product offerings. Introduction to WordPress. Brief history. WordPress started as a blogging platform in 2003. Over the years, it evolved into a versatile content management system, CMS, powering various types of websites. Popularity. User-friendly interface. Its intuitive interface makes it accessible even to those without technical expertise. Extensive plugin ecosystem offers a wide range of plugins for added functionality, including e-commerce capabilities. Customization options. Flexible design options allow users to create unique websites tailored to their needs. Advantages for e-commerce. WooCommerce integration. WooCommerce, or WordPress plugin, enables seamless e-commerce functionality. Scalability. WordPress can scale alongside your business, accommodating growth without major overhauls. SEO-friendly. Built-in SEO features and plugins help improve visibility in search engine rankings. Community support. Being open source, WordPress enjoys a vast community of developers and users, offering support and resources. In your class, students will gain a comprehensive understanding of e-commerce principles and learn how to leverage the power of WordPress to build and manage successful online stores. Episode 11: E-commerce with WordPress. Introduction to e-commerce plugins, WooCommerce. E-commerce plugins are essential tools for transforming your WordPress website into a fully functional online store. One of the most popular and powerful plugins for this purpose is WooCommerce. Here's a brief overview. WooCommerce, developed by Automatic, the same company behind WordPress.com, WooCommerce is an open-source e-commerce plugin designed for small to large-sized online merchants using WordPress. It seamlessly integrates with your WordPress site, providing a robust platform for selling both physical and digital goods. Key features: product management, easily add, edit, and remove products from your store. Flexible product types, sell physical products, digital downloads, subscriptions, and more. Payment gateways, support for various payment gateways such as PayPal, Stripe, and others. Shipping options, configure shipping methods and rates based on location, weight, or price. Tax calculations, automatically calculate taxes based on customer location and product type. Reporting and analytics, gain insights into sales, customer behavior, and inventory management. Customization. WooCommerce offers extensive customization options, allowing you to tailor your store's appearance and functionality to suit your brand and business needs. You can choose from numerous themes, or customize your own using WooCommerce-compatible themes and plugins. Setting up an online store and adding products. Install WooCommerce. Begin by installing the WooCommerce plugin from the WordPress repository. Once activated, WooCommerce will prompt you to run the setup wizard, guiding you through the initial configuration process. General settings. Configure basic settings such as currency, shipping, taxes, and payment gateways to match your store's requirements. Product setup. Add your products by navigating to the Products tab in the WordPress dashboard. Click on Add New to create a new product. Provide details such as product name, description, price, images, and other relevant information. Product types. WooCommerce supports various product types including simple, variable, grouped, and downloadable products. Choose the appropriate product type based on your inventory. Categories and tags. Organize your products into categories and assign relevant tags to improve navigation and searchability on your store. Inventory management. Set stock levels, manage product variations, and enable/disable backorders as needed. Product attributes. Define attributes such as size, color, or material for your products to offer customers more options and flexibility. Managing orders and payments. Order management. Monitor incoming orders, process them efficiently, and keep customers informed about their order status. WooCommerce provides a user-friendly interface for managing orders, updating order status, and generating invoices. Payment gateways. Configure payment gateways to accept payments securely from customers. WooCommerce supports a wide range of payment options including credit/debit cards, PayPal, bank transfers, and cash on delivery. Security. Ensure the security of customer data and transactions by implementing SSL encryption, using trusted payment gateways, and regularly updating WooCommerce and other plugins to the latest versions. Refunds and returns. Handle refunds and returns smoothly by setting up refund policies, issuing refunds through WooCommerce, and communicating effectively with customers to resolve any issues. By following these steps, you can effectively set up an online store using WordPress and WooCommerce, manage your products and orders efficiently, and provide a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Marketing your e-commerce store. Introduction to digital marketing strategies for e-commerce. Digital marketing is essential for attracting and converting visitors into customers. Key strategies include SEO, boosting search engine rankings for organic traffic. Content marketing, creating valuable content to engage your audience. Social media marketing, promoting products and engaging customers on social platforms. Email marketing, nurturing leads and building loyalty through targeted emails. Paid advertising, driving traffic and sales with PPC and social media ads. SEO for WordPress, optimizing product pages and content. Keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to find relevant keywords. Target long-tail keywords for better ranking opportunities. On-page SEO. Optimize title tags, meta descriptions, and URLs with keywords. Write unique, keyword-rich product titles and descriptions. Add alt text to images and use internal linking. Technical SEO. Ensure your site is mobile-friendly and fast-loading. Use HTTPS for a secure website. Content marketing. Create informative blog posts and tutorials. Encourage customer reviews and user-generated content. Social media marketing and email marketing integration. Social media marketing. Choose platforms where your audience is active. Maintain consistent branding and engage with your audience. Collaborate with influencers for broader reach. Email marketing. Grow your email list with sign-up forms and lead magnets. Segment your list for targeted campaigns and personalize emails. Automate email sequences and send a mix of promotional and educational content. Integration strategies. Cross-promote your email newsletter on social media. Align messaging across email and social channels. Offer exclusive deals to email subscribers and social followers. Share user-generated content between emails and social media. By leveraging these strategies, you can enhance your e-commerce store's visibility, engage effectively with your audience, and drive more conversions.